Students, I hope you all are fine and you are enjoying my video, getting something from my best effort. I am going to talk here plasma membrane, one topic related to cell. Okay, every outer covering of cell is called as plasma membrane. Even in animals, plants, as well as in bacteria also, this plasma membrane covered outer layer, and it provides several facilities against the pathogens, provide mechanical support, flexibility and other things. So you have to think about the structure. I am going to discuss. I have drawn one diagram for you, that is the structure of a plasma membrane. Plasma membrane, actually this diagram is very interesting diagram. See here, this head region, that's why it is called as hydrophobic head. Okay, and this is the tail, so it is called as hydrophilic. Hydro means water, you know, so by this name only it is named so, hydrophilic and hydrophobic. Phobic means fear. So this plasma membrane is made up of two layers, that is called as lipid bilayer. Means this layer is made up of lipid bilayer, you can write. So plasma membrane basically contain three types of biomolecule, that is the lipid layer. Secondary, this are layer of protein. This is the layer of protein. Protein is also two types. One protein which present in between both lipid, that is called as intrinsic protein. Intrinsic means inside, intrinsic protein. The protein which situated or located outside only, that is called as extrinsic protein. Okay, it is very easy to learn, ex and in. One more thing, one more biomolecule here I have drawn for you, that is polysaccharide. Polysaccharide, you know, that is carbohydrate. Okay, so carbohydrate source is there. Means plasma membrane contain polysaccharide, intrinsic and extrinsic protein, as well as lipid bilayer. Very interesting video, guys. Suppose here, this is the diagram of a bacteria. So this outer layer. Suppose this is the diagram I am preparing for the animal cell. So this outer layer is plasma membrane. Okay, so one more thing I have drawn for you, that is the mechanism of plasma membrane. So mechanism of plasma membrane, it is a vast process. It goes through different types of mechanism. That mechanism is given here. Diffusion, you know, from higher concentration to lower concentration. Osmosis, it required energy from higher concentration to lower concentration. Osmosis complete into three types, that is hypertonic, hypotonic, and one more is there, guys, that is called as isotonic movement of solution. Okay, so this video again I'll prepare for this topic. Again, the plasma membrane does active transport and passive transport. Active transport also required energy for movement. Active means the person, when it will become active, then it can be transport anything from one membrane to another membrane. That's why active transport for plasma membrane does active transport. But when the plasma membrane one side is completely packed or over by the water, that it does passive transport also. This active and passive transport we can understand by plant, okay, and the root. Suppose I have prepared this plant, so mechanism of water transport we can understand by active and passive transport in our future. Okay, thank you, guys. Maybe this video will helpful for you. I will again meet with the next video.